Good morning, Forest Fashionistas. I'm Aurora Dew.
And I'm Eliza Sunflower.
And we're the Flint Hills Fairies. It's so good to be here with you today for your summer camp, your virtual summer camp. We thought we'd bring you a little taste of nature, and we're going to make today some flower crowns. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is get all your materials ready. We picked out our flowers. Now, we chose fake flowers because they last longer.
And real flowers are our friends.
That's right. I love curling up in a little tiny buttercup at night to take my rest. So besides from some fake flowers, you're gonna need a hot glue gun, which means you're gonna need somebody to look out for you. Eliza, will you make sure I don't burn myself?
Oh, absolutely. Will you make sure I don't burn myself?
I will try my best. You'll also need a headband. Now, we chose headbands that do not have any holes in them because that's how you burn yourself. The hot glue could come through. So choose a nice, comfortable, wide headband. We also like to use glitter glue, and for that you'll need a paintbrush. Well, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rip our flowers apart. Oh, I don't wanna rip my flowers apart.
See, this is why we use fake flowers.
It is. We're gonna deconstruct our flowers so that we can use the leaves and the flowers however we want to on our crown. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, let's check and see if the glue guns are ready.
And they are.
Awesome. So we're gonna squirt some glue onto the middle of our headband and place our first flower. I like to place it so that it's laying down. Ooh, and be very careful because that glue is hot. You may need your mom or your sister to help you with it. All right, after I place the first flower, I can place my second flower right next to it. When you place them, you want to make sure that they're touching. We'll fill in the gaps later with other little flowers, but it's really important at this stage that you keep them close together.
And make sure you don't touch the glue.
All right. Once you get finished with the front side of your flower crown, you're gonna wanna turn it over and investigate the back. You're probably gonna find these little stemmy parts, and so you can take your hot glue gun and put a little bit of extra glue on there and either apply a small flower to it to cover that up, right? Voila, that's like magic. Or you can apply the glue and put some leaves there. I like to use leaves on my crown because it gives that greenery feeling that any garden has.
Oh, I love it.
I love it. They turned out great. We're gonna take out our glitter glue. And this is by far the easiest and fastest way to make something sparkle. You get your jar of glitter glue, you open it up, and you take your paintbrush. And this is where the sky's the limit. You take your glitter glue and you can paint it on to your flowers. And all of a sudden, they sparkle and shine, just like the sunlight. Ah. Now you guys are the ultimate forest fashionistas. You have this beautiful flower crown you can wear anytime you want to be closer to Mother Earth.
Or anytime you need a little extra magic in your life.
Ah. Bye.
Bye.